This video will show how to use mop functionality in Drishti 2.1 to shrink wrap the object and then just remove the say top few voxel layers and see the insides. Now here we have the stag beetle and we would like to see the insides of this stag beetle. So this is the stag beetle here, and we would like to remove this top layer and see the muscles inside. In order to do that, so here the update is off. Let's just use mop knob and just update for the current transfer function. So the current transfer function, let's just change that, give mop knob, so update for the current transfer function. Now I would like to shrink up this object. So shrink wrap will create a mask which will essentially wrap around the entire object, and if there are any holes, then it will try to fill those holes. So here, if we see in detail here, so for this transfer function there is a hole. There are actually a lot of holes here, and what the shrink wrap will do is wrap around this object and fill up all these holes here. So let just shrink wrap. So press space bar, mop, shrink wrap, and what we would like to do is say fill up the holes that are around 20 voxels big. So shrink wrap 20. So it will go through this thickening, basically opening and closing the mask buffer, and it will now have created the shrink wrap. Now in order to just verify whether we have really shrink wrapped, what we can do is, let me just turn off this transformation and turn on this transformation here, which shows all the zero valued voxels, and you can see that it's perfectly wrapping the object. There are some tiny bits around here we can easily remove. So we can just give mop and then erode just, let's see, one. They're still there. Now what we can use is mop and then city block, and we would like to just go say 4 voxels deep, say. So this will apply city block transform, and it will just go 4 voxels deep. And you can see that we have already eroded the region, and we can see the insides. What the city block transform has done is all the voxels on space will have mask value 0. Anything beyond that is not in the mask buffer is of course 0, and then it starts going into the sample, and then it will start increasing the distance. So on the surface it is 0, 1 voxel inside the surface it is 1, and 2 and 3 and so on, and that is used as the these values will be multiplied with the opacity of the transfer function, and this is the result. And instead of mask city block 5, if I had given say city block 10, then it would have made the top around 10 voxels transparent, and you would be seeing a lot more of the inside. We will see this in the next video. We will play with the city block transform in the next videos to see more details on the inside of this object.